Okay, so I'm just going to work through a few of these so you can see what it looks like. And so you kind of have to think what symbol you're using and how to actually set up the scenario. And if your setup isn't the same as the answer key, that's okay because sometimes there's two different ways to do it. So let's look at the first one. We've got a balance of $152, so that's kind of like our total. On her next statement, she wants to reduce, so reduce means to kind of subtract her balance to no more than 50. So we want that to be our max. How much does she need to pay off? So I kind of think, how does this work? So if I kind of take my total and I take off what I pay, then that should be what I'm left with. Okay, so our total is $152. I don't know how much I want to pay off because that's what they're asking us. And the max I want left is 50. So since that's the most, I want the big part of the inequality symbol to be by that number. So that's how I think of it. So then if we want to solve this, let me see if I can get a different color. All right. I want to get P by itself, so we're going to subtract 152. So I get negative P is less than or equal to negative 102. Divide both sides by negative 1, which reverses your symbol. So I'm going to have to pay more than $102. Okay? So let's find one that is the other symbol. Let's look at number 4. So suppose the Spanish club is going on a field trip. Members will be riding in a van. It holds 9 people each. Okay. At least, so then that needs to be the smallest. We'll be going on the field trip. What is the least number of vans needed? So I kind of think the number of people and the number of vans is going to give me my people. So probably coming up, that's really messy. Coming up with the equation might be the hardest part. So the number of people, I know I've got 9. I have no idea how many vans we need. And then the most, or the least that we want is 36. So I want to make the smallest part by that 36. So then I'm going to divide by 9. So I'm going to need more than 4 vans. So sometimes you'll subtract, you'll multiply. It really depends on what the scenario is. And then your symbol. Okay, so I hope this helps get you started.